Most people say to themselves, I want to learn how to trade. But after starting, they begin to struggle. They lose money, they become broke. Eventually, they become overwhelmed and they start looking for instant results. Not because they are lazy or impatient, but because they've lost for so long that they can now do anything to survive. In my years of trading and going through series of communities, I've discovered a common pattern among traders. They usually start out with good intentions of learning how to trade and actually making money from the market. But unfortunately, as they continue, life just gets in the way. They start losing money, making mistakes, and end up emotionally and financially drained. And in that state, if you give them long textbooks or long hours of videos, that's just a waste of time. What they actually need are wins, victories that will let them know that making money from trading is actually possible. And that's what we've built at Pips Empire, a system that helps you earn while you learn. We give real trade ideas every day with a detailed explanation of the logic behind the trades and updates from time to time. You can take these trade ideas on your demo account or your live account, or you could just sit back and observe. Over time, you will begin to understand what is going on in these trades even while you learn. But just to be clear, this is not to make you dependent. This is just to help you breathe financially and give you enough space to actually learn. You still need to learn the skill because you cannot rely on someone else forever. But then you'll be learning from a place of confidence and not desperation. And the good thing about it is that we've designed our curriculum to be direct, straight to the point, with short videos that you can complete under 14 weeks that explain only the relevant information you need to become profitable. Now, you don't have to choose between survival and success anymore. You can have both at once. And the best part is that you won't have to learn alone. You'll be learning alongside thousands of others, sharing ideas and growing together. And the cherry on the cake is that going through our community and courses gives you access to funding up to $100,000. This might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Let's learn and build real momentum together.